Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to restart your Windows 11 PC with just your shortcut keyboard. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to press Windows plus X on your keyboard, and this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and press U. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and press R. And just like what you see right here, your PC starts to restart without any stress. All you have to do is to allow the PC to restart completely and it come back to the fresh desktop environment. It's that simple. So this is how to quickly restart your Windows 11 PC with just your shortcut keyboard without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.